Okay.
Welcome to Caitlin's Test Kitchen. We're going to do a blind taste test. We haven't done one of these in a couple of years.
Microwave cake.
Microwave cake versus an actual normal cupcake.
Okay.
So Caitlin's the first one with the blindfold, and I'm going to be like, woo, 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 round and round and round she goes. Where she stops, like, what? Hard. Nobody knows.
No. I think I already know. What?
And this is this plate.
Yeah, actually this is harder than I thought. I eat the remaining cake. What? You're not eating the remaining cake.
I'll take you a while.
I think that the microwave was the first one. Okay, did I try?
Yes.
It had a little.
What was the texture like?
It tasted like a weird fudge. I don't like
I
that.
like fudge.
Okay, my turn.
So let Rye do it. I don't want to do it. My head's too big.
Yeah. Okay. You have to put it.
Yeah, I'm gonna need the clip. Plate. There. Ooh, the thing was sticking in here, but yeah, that's what's good. I'm just gonna watch.
Okay, Ryan, you ready?
Fascinated. I'm fascinated by this.
Oh, whoa. Anyway. Okay, your first one you're tasting. Ready? Huh?
Find his mouth. Can't find your mouth, eh? Pretty bad when you can't find your mouth.
Okay. And the second one you're tasting. 1 sec.
He's ready this time.
The first one was real, the second one was microwave. Yeah.
I think it's kind of obvious.
Kind of.
Well, let me...
It's more like a brownie.
Okay, it is a bit burnt.
That's good for a microwave.
Okay, are you done?
Bye! Subscribe, like, comment. Bye! See ya!